Hello and welcome to this video on HTTP operations in Cyclone RPA Designer. Cyclone RPA Designer provides two nodes that use in HTTP protocol, send HTTP request and asynchronously send HTTP request. We'll use a demo to show how to configure them. In the demo, we'll use API provided by Cyclone RPA Robot. To enable the API document and API calling, we should first launch RPA Robot. Make sure that the icon appears in your taskbar. Then visit the Management panel in your browser and navigate to API Document. This page contains all API we can call in the designer. First, let's try getting the version number. Find Version and click on Try it out, then Execute. This request URL will be used in configuring the HTTP request node. Back to the designer. Add a Send HTTP request node and choose the right method, in this case GET. Then copy the request URL in the address box. Name the output so that we can check the result by displaying it in the console. Second, let's have a look at how to get a list of mrpa files in the robot. Find mrpa list and execute it. We can get the response and the URL. Likewise, we can add a node in Designer and configure it by selecting the right method and pasting the address. The response is the same. Next, we'll use HTTP request to execute an automation process. Find executor run sync mrpa ID. The required ID can be found in the list we just acquired. Copy it here and execute. We can see that the file is executed. Then in Designer, we can either just copy the complete request URL or use attribute group to specify the mrpa ID separately. Run the process and the file can also be executed. Lastly, we can use HTTP request to shut down the robot. The request URL is in executor shutdown. Note that the icon in the taskbar has disappeared, meaning that the RPA robot is shut down. We can use HTTP request to call API for a wide range of operations. This function greatly improves the flexibility and compatibility of Cyclone RPA. And that concludes this video on HTTP operations in Cyclone RPA Designer. Be sure to check out the videos and our website for more information. Thanks for watching and see you next time.